Wolverine.
What you think, Caleb? You excited to have your own bed? Look at all the superheroes on the wall. Can you tell me anyone you see?
Caleb, you can see Spider-Man and Iron Man and Iron Man. And Caleb, there's also the big Silver Surfer. I like this bed.
Pretty cool.
Come on, yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, and what's in my bed? Come in here, Mama.
See, you get to sleep in your own big boy bed tonight. Hey, you know what? You got to thank Grandma. Grandma got you this bed. Grandma Janine.
I like it. Daddy.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Welcome.
He got my railing.
Yeah, he's got your railing now because you don't need yours. Yep, and you got a little stool to climb up because it's a big bed. You got to climb up.
Daddy, who's going to put a table next to me? Daddy, Dad. Come in,
Yeah.
Dad. Dad, you know what? I want a table next
It's okay,
to
I'm
me.
done.
Daddy,